Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot DKIM in Zoho Mail. So the first one is longer TTL. TTL, or time to live, is the time specified in your DNS for each change in your DNS to be effective. If you have a huge TTL value of 24 to 48 hours, then TXT or SPF records might take a while to get propagated. It might take up to 12 to 24 hours for DNS changes to take effect. Incorrect values. The way the SPF records needs to be added often varies with different DNS providers. Hence, it is recommended to check the help pages or instruction manuals of your registrar or reach out to the support team of the DNS provider to add the specific SPF or DKIM records. Typos or spelling mistakes. Check if you have copy-pasted the correct information from Zoho setup page. In the case of DKIM, you need to copy the entire key displayed and provide it as a value of the TXT record. The TXT record name should be also follow the suggested name conventions. That's it. Thanks for watching.